green tea, and vitamin B. 3. The brain's ultimate cleaning crew? Unlocking Alzheimer's secrets. What if I told you the secret to a sharper, more resilient brain isn't found in a futuristic lab, but right in your kitchen? Imagine two simple, natural compounds working together like a specialized cleaning crew, sweeping away the toxic buildup that comes with age. A cleaning crew so powerful it could potentially protect your brain from the devastating damage of Alzheimer's. This isn't science fiction. It's the groundbreaking discovery from researchers at UC Irvine, and it could change everything you thought you knew about brain health. Get ready to discover the most powerful brain combo you've never heard of: green tea and vitamin B3. The implications are nothing short of revolutionary. Welcome back to Health Action, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs and actionable health insights. Today, we're diving into a fascinating new study that points to a natural two-ingredient solution for one of the biggest challenges of aging: cognitive decline. Researchers at UC Irvine have uncovered a remarkable synergy between an antioxidant found in green tea and a common B vitamin. Together, they form a powerful blend designed to restore energy to aging brains, clear out toxic waste, and potentially protect against the very hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. This isn't just another supplement recommendation. This is about a specific targeted mechanism that scientists are calling a game changer. At the heart of this discovery is a molecule you've likely never heard of: guanosine triphosphate, or GTP. It's the hidden key that fuels your brain's self-cleaning system. When this system breaks down, your brain becomes a junkyard of damaged cells and toxic proteins. But what if we could restore it? What if we could give your brain the fuel it needs to clean house and stay sharp for decades to come? That's what this video is all about. We'll break down the science in a way you can understand and give you the final takeaway you need to know. Let's get started. 1. The brain's dynamic. Duo, vitamin B3, and EGCG. Imagine your brain is a big city. Over time, things get messy, trash piles up, and the city's power grid gets old and tired. This is what happens as we age. But what if we could give the city a powerful cleanup crew and a jolt of new energy? That's exactly what researchers at UC Irvine discovered by combining two simple ingredients: nicotinamide, a form of vitamin B3, and EGCG, a powerful compound from green tea. You might already know that vitamin B3 is good for you, and so is green tea. But the magic happens when you put them together. The researchers found they work as a team to create something called guanosine triphosphate, or GTP. Think of GTP as a special kind of battery that only your brain's cleaning crew uses. As you get older, your brain makes less of this battery, and the crew slows down. The result? More trash or toxic buildup in your brain. By giving your brain this specific combination of vitamin B3 and green tea, you're essentially recharging those special batteries. This helps your brain's cleaning crew get back to work, sweeping away all the junk that can lead to problems like memory loss and other signs of aging. It's not just about getting more antioxidants. It's about giving your brain the right fuel to clean and protect itself from the inside out. 2. Why GTP is the master key for brain health. So, what makes GTP so incredibly important for your brain's long-term health? The answer lies in its role as a specialized fuel source for two vital processes. Known as autophagy, is responsible for a daily deep clean. Its job is to find and break down old, worn-out cell parts, damaged proteins, and other cellular trash. This is a crucial process because if this waste isn't removed, it can build up, clog the system, and lead to problems. In fact, a major hallmark of diseases like Alzheimer's is the accumulation of toxic proteins, such as amyloid plaques. GTP is the specific energy source that powers this cleanup crew. Without enough GTP, the autophagy process slows down dramatically. The city's sanitation department goes on strike, so to speak, and the trash starts to pile up in the brain's hallways. This buildup can disrupt communication between brain cells, impair memory, and eventually lead to cell death. By ensuring a steady supply of GTP, you're essentially providing the energy needed to keep your brain's cleaning system running efficiently, protecting it from this toxic accumulation. But GTP's job doesn't stop at cleaning. It also helps support the basic energy needs of your brain cells. Think of these cells as tiny, busy factories. They require a constant supply of energy to send signals, process information, and keep your thoughts flowing. GTP helps power these factories, ensuring they are firing on all cylinders and performing at their best. This is a critical distinction and a huge takeaway from the research. It's not just about cleaning up the mess after the fact. It's about providing the energy to keep the entire system running smoothly. You're both removing the junk and powering the machinery, creating a cleaner, more efficient, and more resilient brain. This twofold role as the fuel for both cellular cleanup and basic energy makes GTP a truly masterful key to unlocking and maintaining optimal brain health. 3. Groundbreaking results from lab tests. The researchers at UC Irvine didn't just have a theory. They backed it up with hard data from laboratory tests. The results of these studies were nothing short of astounding, providing a powerful glimpse into a new way to combat age-related brain decline. This green tea and vitamin B3 combo didn't just show a small improvement. It delivered significant measurable benefits across several key areas. Reversing cellular aging. The treatment effectively turned back the clock on aging brain cells. In lab tests, cells that had shown signs of age-related decline began to function more like younger, healthier cells. This is a monumental finding, as it suggests the potential to not just slow down aging, but to actively reverse some of its effects at a cellular level. Restoring vital energy. As hoped, the combination successfully restored levels of guanosine triphosphate, GTP, to a healthier, more youthful state. This confirmed that the blend was doing exactly what it was designed to do, providing the essential fuel for the brain's internal cleaning and energy systems. By restoring this crucial energy source, the researchers were able to observe the cascade of positive effects that followed. Clearing the toxic hallmark of Alzheimer's. This was one of the most exciting and significant findings. The treatment was shown to effectively clear amyloid protein, the toxic substance that forms plaques in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. This protein buildup is the main culprit behind disrupted brain function and cell death. The ability of this natural combo to actively reduce amyloid plaques suggests it could be a powerful tool for fighting the very progression of the disease, not just its symptoms. Reducing signs of brain cell death. Finally, the treatment reduced neurodegeneration markers, which are the biological signals that indicate brain cells are dying or damaged. This is the ultimate proof that the combo was protecting the brain from the most devastating effects of aging and disease. These results are more than just a scientific curiosity. They represent a new targeted way to potentially protect the brain. By focusing on a specific energy molecule, GTP, and using natural compounds to restore it, researchers have opened a new pathway for fighting cognitive decline and Alzheimer's, one that may be both powerful and protective. 4. GTP, the overlooked energy source. For years, we focused on general solutions for brain health, like antioxidants to fight damage, but this new research points to a much more specific and powerful approach. Researchers are now calling GTP a crucial and previously overlooked energy source that powers your brain's most critical functions. Think of it like this. Your brain's health isn't just about protecting it from outside harm. It's about keeping the engine running strong from the inside. GTP is the high-performance fuel for that engine. When you get older, your brain's supply of GTP starts to run low. This new discovery shows that by boosting GTP with specific nutrients, we might have a new way to protect your memory and thinking skills. This is a massive shift in thinking, moving our focus from simply fighting damage to actively fueling the brain's own internal machinery. It suggests that keeping your brain sharp might be less about broad generic health advice and more about giving it the right tools to do its own cleanup and repair work. Now, for the critical takeaway you need to understand. While this research is incredibly promising, there's a catch. Early trials show that simply taking oral nicotinamide, vitamin B3, isn't the most effective method. A significant portion of it gets inactivated in the bloodstream before it can reach the brain in sufficient quantities. This is why researchers are now exploring new and better delivery methods. But the core principle remains. Your brain's self-cleaning system slows with age, and feeding it the right compounds in the right way could help keep it sharp, energized, and resilient for years to come. This discovery opens the door to a new era of brain health. The journey to a healthier brain is a marathon, not a sprint. While we wait for these new delivery methods, the core message is clear. The combination of EGCG from green tea and vitamin B3 holds immense potential. This is a powerful reminder that sometimes the most profound solutions are found in the synergy of simple, natural compounds. By understanding how your brain works, you can take informed steps today to protect your cognitive future. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Action for more cutting-edge health insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.